All right, so we're back again, people. It is Trinidad and Tobago versus Jamaica. Jamaica Reggae Boyz versus Trinidad and Tobago. Match day 2. And for match day 2, the teams will be playing at the Larry Gomes Stadium. Larry Gomez Stadium. This is going to be the preview and also the possible start, preview prediction, and possible starting lineup. We will get into that, but before we do so, would really tremendously appreciate it if you hit the like button, yeah? Tremendous. Tell her, here we go. Let's get back to it. Come out down the field. So, first match out, you don't know Kyle Dixon, turn it up, get it 1 goal, solidify the game. Now, I see a lot of persons are complaining about many different things. I say, what? Me personally, I didn't see much to complain about because I think we have in our mind how we believe, how we think, or we want football to be played. One, this is not FIFA. And I think a lot of us are looking at the team and we expect our team to play like Man City, prime Man City and prime Barcelona. Not going to happen. Even in the same sense, we have seen many teams that are at that level played in some sense with that level of dominance and control in the ball. But when you're going up against two teams that are equal, we get to find out that them kind of cancel out each other in many facets of the game. But nonetheless, I have to say that I have to commend Al Grimson where these games are concerned. I can clearly remember when Al Grimson started the camp, the local camp, and said, we will be doing this for a continued time until I say stop. And we're now playing games with the same teams that Al Grimson is using. Now, when Al Grimson said that, you know what happened? People started crying and said, boy, this is unnecessary. Why I need to do that? And I do think it's in fear that some of our star players that we want to see won't turn up. So because of that, we are in so much fear that they won't turn up and we might see some of these players play. So that's where the fear come from. I, for one, am confident. I think as things progress with Al Grimson, I'm gaining a lot more confidence in Al Grimson. I have to say that he has definitely showcased many aspects of football to me. That I get to understand, all right, so this might not work out, so he's trying this. And I like that. Even when the game I play, the game I play, it's not necessarily Al Grimson was on the sideline. It was Merrin Garden, if you even watch about the game. Al Grimson was in the stand for majority of the game. Maybe just sitting back and actually watching the game from a different point of view. Because when you're on the sideline, versus when you're in the stands, you kind of get a different view of the game. So maybe Al Grimson saying, you know what, let me see what the game is like. Let me see how the team look. Let me see how the team shape. Let me see how the team progress the ball, play the ball from the back and push forward in the attacking thirds, in the midfield, in the defensive third. So maybe these are the aspects of what Al Grimson is looking at. So these things are quite intrigue me. Personally, I like to see this little subtle movement from him, doing little tweaks and those stuff. I really like that. Now, let's get on to the game in itself. Further on, we won the first game, 1-0. I thought that overall it was a good performance from the team. Every aspect of the game, each player coming on, trying to make an impact. So we expect to see somewhat similar. Now for this game, I believe there's going to be quite a number of change. Clearly, Al Grimson said that he wants to look at every player. He wants to see what every player has to offer. So he did also said that the results of these games does not concern him one bit, which means that we are likely to see a holistic changes in the upcoming games. What will these changes look like? I would like to see a change of system. Also, this is the right time to do stuff and try some stuff, but we'll see how that one proceeds. Now, this game I expect this game to be a little bit different because maybe this time around, the team might not start. The team that we saw on the pitch on Friday might not be the same team that we're going to see this on Sunday, which means that the cohesiveness, the camaraderie, those little chemistry and those things might not be the same. It can actually be better, though it can be better because maybe different players might suit other players, other players where partnership is concerned. So it might be a little bit different. It can be worse and it can be better. We don't know. Tomorrow we'll know that. Anyways, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna jump straight into the possible starting lineup. Now, in some sense, the reason why my starting lineup is gonna have a lot of changes is because I'm working off what Al Grimson said. He said that he wants to see quite a few more players, and because of that, I'm looking forward to see some of the players who came onto the pitch to get the opportunity now to go out on the pitch and play some football. Now, let's start off in goal. I'm going to go first of all with Jaden Ebert. We might not see Kemar Foster for this game. I think that Jaden Ebert will start. And we'll see how he progress, how that one progresses. But nonetheless, let me see a second. Give me a second, people. Give me a second. So might see Jaden Ebert start for this one, and then now coming on in the second half, we might see Shaquan Davis coming on for the second half. So as I said, coach want to see everyone. Up for the starting lineup in the defense, the back four, right back Solly McCall. I think he will remain solely because I think out and out is the only natural right back we have. Yeah, he's the only natural, pure right back we have. So I think we'll see Solly McCall the same way. This time around, I'm going to say Joel Cunningham, and also Richard King, who came on to the pitch. I believe that we'll be seeing these two players starting this time around. On the left back, I'm going to say Emilio Rossar, who came on to the pitch as well. So that would be the back four. As I said, let me go over that again. Solly McCullough, Richard King, Joel Cunningham, and Emilio Rossar. In the midfield, hear what is with the midfield now. Joshua Anglin is the holy midfielder. So I strongly believe that he will still remain in the pitch. And beside him, I'm going to say Romeo Guthrie is the one who's going to come on and sit beside Anglin. I thought Romeo Guthrie, when he came on the other day, not just a pass that he gave to Kyle Dixon, I thought overall his performance was quite impressive. In the attacking third now, I'm going to go Chenille Thomas and Andre Fletcher. This is the attacking three, kind of a 4-2-3-1 formation. And on the right-hand side, I'm going to say that Kaim Dixon will remain. Why did I do that? Why did I say that's going to be possible? As I said, since Al Grimson is running this local camp, every game I see Al Grimson play, Kaim Dixon starts. You can't ask me, ask Al Grimson. Why? I don't know. I'm just going off based what I see, just the observation. I can only do based off what I've observed. Me only can work off of that. Me can't go say him not go start because of this and that reason. From what I've seen so far, every single game, practice game under Al Grimson, Kaim Dixon starts. So my assumption is that Kaim Dixon might start again, and maybe a reward for scoring the winning goal in the last game. And leading line now, I'm gonna say Jason Wright to start this one. So Fabian Reid might sit out. Now, where predictions are concerned, I think we might go into this game with a little bit more confidence, and a little bit more high, and a bit high because we win the first game. So I'm gonna say that we are gonna win this one. Don't think Trinidad go down so easy for this one. I'm gonna say we're gonna win this one 2-1. Remember the last time they come to Jamaica, then beat you and draw one. I'm not sure if we want to do that. I'm go out in yard, beat them one and draw one. No, we want to beat them over the 2 road. I don't want to lose. So I'm going to say 2-1 in favor of Jamaica. I'm going to say Kaima score again. He has a knack for goal. You can imagine him not playing at all, but so you go. Anyways, that's the reason why this is prediction. No one knows the future. And knowing my luck, might not start. But anyways, so that will cover the match preview. Tell us what you think in the comment section. Drop your prediction in the comment section, and also drop your possible starting lineup in the comment section as well. I want to see that. This is going to be very, very interesting. Last time out, I have to say overall team performance, last time out was maybe, I'm going to say 8.5. This time around, maybe I expect a little bit better. I'm more improved performance. I'm hopeful for that. A little bit more control of the ball, a little bit more control of the game, a little bit more game management where that is concerned, and a bit more clinicalness in front of the goal. So that's it for me, people. Big up on yourself, smash the like button, and I'll see you guys again. Until next time, MG Sports TV, we are out. Boom. God bless.